Hello and welcome to another episode of Money is Blind podcast, the show for blind entrepreneurs. My name is Prasoon. I am a legally blind entrepreneur. I run multiple online businesses and I'm trying to inspire you, blind and visually impaired persons, to start your own online business instead of doing ordinary jobs. Become an employer instead of being an employee. So here's a quick update of the migration process that's happening at Dofody, an online doctor consultation platform which I founded back in 2018. So the WordPress website creation process is in progress. I am trying out different types of themes and layouts for the website so that the user navigation becomes easier. Now this website, the WordPress website, would be the front end. Here the user, the patient, needs to make a payment, and when they do that, they will have to submit their name, email address, date of birth and gender, and these data will be taken from WordPress, and a corresponding user, a new user, would be created in the backend, for which we are using OpenEMR, an open source electronic medical record software. Now this happens through APIs. APIs are like the bridges between two different types of softwares. APIs enables one software to communicate with another software. But OpenEMR is a vast ocean-like software. There are several features that we don't need in an online clinic. There are drug inventories. There are laboratories which can be attached. Insurance is a vital part that we are not using in online Dofody. So we have to disable all these features. We are not using these features, and customizing OpenEMR is kind of a problem. Now since OpenEMR is designed for clinics and hospitals, every doctor, every provider who works in that clinic will be able to see all the user data, all the patients. Like for example, if Dr. John can view medical records of all the patients who have booked an appointment with him as well as for other doctors. So that is a problem that we are facing, and I found out a new solution which is called Patient Privacy. It's a module. It works like a plugin which can be installed in OpenEMR, and this plugin allows the administrator to attach one patient to a doctor or a provider. So only the doctor who gets the appointment from the patient will be able to see that patient's medical records. A doctor will not be able to see the patient details of other patients who has not yet booked appointment with him. So this is kind of important when it comes to online clinics like Dofody, and that's the next thing that we are trying to integrate in our backend. And once that is done, the customization part would be almost complete, and then the data migration can begin. All the user data, the documents, the medical records, and all the old prescriptions of the existing Dofody users needs to be migrated to the new OpenEMR backend. This migration needs to be done in a secure manner because these are medical records and data should not be lost. It cannot be done manually, so can only be done by writing scripts. And for that, I'm looking for a database administrator who can do that job for me. So before migration, all the customization needs to be completed so that the migration process becomes seamless one. So that's where we are right now. I hope this thing will be completed in the next 1 month. If you are facing problems in setting up your own website, you can send me an email and I will share my thoughts and opinions on what you need to do. You can send your queries by visiting moneyisblind.com/contact. That's it, guys. We'll talk to you next week. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.